Good morning, students. In last lectures, I am going to discuss in several types of reactions. Last reaction discussing Dargin reactions. So today I am going to discuss in Prince reaction. Prince reaction. Okay. So here contains first contains definitions of Prince reactions, second contains general reactions, then third contains mechanism of Prince reaction. So one by one contents are discussed today. First contains definition. What is been my Prince reactions? So Prince reaction means addition of olefin to formaldehyde in the presence of acid catalyst. Okay, most important points: addition of olefins to formaldehyde in the presence of acid catalyst. Here three products according to alkene and experimental conditions. Okay, so here a definition of Prince reactions. So first, addition of olefin to formaldehyde in the presence of acid catalyst in the presence of only acid catalyst here present. Three products according to alkene and experimental conditions. So here three products. So first product here 1,3-diol. Second product allylic alcohol. Then third product 1,3 dioxane. So here three products 1,3 diol, second allylic alcohol, third means 1,3 dioxane. So three products main important here experimental conditions. So any doubts, any problems? Here definition of Prince reaction. So next contain general reactions of Prince. General reaction of Prince. So here first is R bond double bond is react with formaldehyde H bond CHO. These are formaldehyde in the presence of acid catalyst. So first gives 1,3 diol. So here bond here R bond, here bond, here bond, here bond, here bond, here OH, then here OH. So these are 1,3 diol, 1,3 diol. Okay, so first product. Then second product allylic alcohol. First product 1,3 diol. Second product R bond, double bond, single bond OH. These are allylic alcohol. Okay, second. Then third is O bond, single bond O, single bond, single bond. Here R, that is the 1,3 dioxane. That is the general reactions of Prince reaction. So here these are olefin to formaldehyde in the presence of acid catalyst. First gives three products. First product 1,3 diol, second product allylic alcohol, and third product 1,3 dioxane. Okay, any problem?